All right, this is the room tour of Building 9, Kingsland, Hilton Village, Waikoloa. That's a one-bedroom unit. Here we have wash and dry, very important for sweaty weather. We got closet here. Got full kitchen with nice fridge, some water here, microwave, coffee maker, nice oven, sanitized dishes. Awesome. Don't mind the mess, just came in. It's a living room, huge TV. Hopefully I won't have time to use that. Now let's get and see the balcony. Oops. Let's see. Are we filming? Yep, seems like we are. Oops, that's locked. Okay. Maybe I'll do it. I cannot open it. Okay, later. So this is a nice lanai, which is balcony on the local language. Beautiful. That's the view on the living room from this side. That's pretty big. I feel like it's probably 300 square feet living room. We have the bedroom where I'll get staying alone. So one night here, one night there. Staying here for 5 nights total. Then I'll be moving, nice view actually. I'll be moving to Hilo and then some neighbors, and then I'll be moving to Kailua Kona, to Royal Kona Resort. Stay tuned. And this is the bathroom. We have actually entrances on both sides. Wow, this is nice. I just can get like what the full light situation here, but I guess you get it. That's a bus tub. And I suspect this is a little restroom and a shower I'm longing to use as soon as possible and go hit the swimming pool. Nice amount of towels, cleaning once in a stay. I think I might not need it because I will be very careful. Okay, what do we have here? Okay. Well, stay tuned, friends. Take care.